Hello, this is Kyle Byron, the Toronto nutritionist. This is my first video in 2 years. The last video was my egg bite video, and our kid was like just born, kind of crying in the background, and I was making like one-handed meals for my breastfeeding wife. And now I have no hair. 2 years later. Still trucking along with the old nutrition practice. And today's video is on why learning how to eat is better than a meal plan. Some people don't really know how to get the best results. They just want like out of their current situation. They want to lose weight fast. They don't like the way they are. I get it. Most of my clients, they come in, they're frustrated. Or maybe there's like too much information going on and they just don't want, just tell me what to eat, Kyle. Don't tell me this, that, just tell me what to eat, put me on a meal plan. Fine, I get it. I'm very sensitive to clients' needs. But we tried that already. In the 80s and 90s, and even the knots, like even recently, and some nutritionists are still sort of doing this, most are not. We tried as an industry to do meal plans. Here's what you eat, 9 o'clock, oatmeal, noon, salad. We tried that and it just didn't work. The human psychology just not supportive for that notion to have it just on a piece of paper, like what you're supposed to eat and when. It just doesn't work. It might work for a little while. And yes, of course, there's like maybe 0.1% or 1% of the populations where meal plans work, but in most cases, it doesn't. And I can tell from an assessment form who is going to do well with a meal plan and who won't. So what's much better for most people is just learning how to eat. Changing little behaviors like having like a stockpile of snacks at your desk. Like that can just go a tremendously long way to eating better and losing weight and performing better. Or chewing your food, or like learning about how much grams of fat are in a salad dressing. Like these are all very effective things. Trust me, if giving away meal plans worked, I would give away meal plans all the time. I would have a library of meal plans. And in a way it might even be easier, but it doesn't work. It doesn't work. A couple more reasons why meal plans don't work is our metabolism can be unpredictable. You may be more sedentary than you predicted and now you're eating too many calories. Or you trained more than you thought you would and now you're not eating enough calories because the meal plan is not flexible. Even fidgeting. You see someone like bouncing their knee or they're fidgeting a lot, that actually burns a significant amount of calories. Or even standing versus sitting will burn around 400 more calories in an 8-hour shift. So there's a few more reasons why meal plans are just usually not the best way. There are cases when a meal plan is appropriate. Once a person has learned all the foundation stuff, then we can rock out with a meal plan. Like they really know themselves well. I kind of know what they're eating typically. Boom, 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 boom. Here you go. Try that for a couple of weeks. But even in that case, it's a low chance that they execute it perfectly. And if you're not going to do it perfectly, what's the point? What's the point? You might as well have rules that you can stick to, like I only eat if I'm hungry, and I have protein with each meal, and I know my salad portions. That's usually the best way. And all I care about is you guys getting results. I don't care about being right. Whatever nutrition system is the best. And in 50 years, we might all be eating keto, or all might be intermittent fasting. Research is still new on these things, so we have to go with what works, and that's what I'm really trying to do. So that's why learning how to eat is better than meal plans, at least for now in the business. That's what is the best way. And I just want to, again, I just want the best for you guys. So thanks for watching my video. If you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel, and in another 2 years I might make another video. I do have a big library here, so if this is the first video that you stumbled upon, spend some time on my channel. I got some cool recipes, tips on different supplements and snacking and things of that nutritious nature. So you stay nutritious, and I will catch you later. Thank you very much.